In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your very own publication on Substack. Whether you're a seasoned writer or someone just starting out, Substack is a fantastic platform to get your writing out into the world. So let's dive right in and get you started. First things first, you'll want to open your favorite web browser and head over to substack.com. Once there, you'll notice a couple of options inviting you to kick off your writing journey. You can either click on Start Writing or the Sign Up button. Both of these choices will lead you to the same destination, creating your very own Substack account. Now, when it comes to the actual sign-up, Substack offers you flexibility. You can choose to register using your email address or, if it's more convenient, through your Google or Apple account. Take a moment to decide which option suits you best, and then follow the prompts to create your account. Within just a few clicks, you'll find yourself successfully logged in and ready to start setting up your new publishing venture. Once you're logged in, you'll see the dashboard option tucked away in the upper right corner. Go ahead and click it. This is going to be your command center, the place where you'll manage everything related to your publication. But before we delve too deep into the dashboard, let's get the basics set up first. You'll want to click on Set up the Basics to get started. Here, you'll have the opportunity to give your publication a name. Think of something catchy or descriptive, something that encapsulates what your readers can expect from your content. Alongside the name, you'll also need to provide a short description that offers a bit of insight into what your publication is all about. It's a good idea to make this clear and engaging, as it will be one of the first things your audience will see. Don't forget to add a publication logo. Your logo is essentially the face of your publication, so choose something visually appealing and representative of your brand. It can be as simple or as elaborate as you like. Just make sure it's something that can easily be recognized. Once you've found the perfect name, crafted a compelling description, and uploaded your logo, you'll hit the Done button. And there you have it. The basics of your Substack publication are all set, and you're now ready to start creating and sharing your content with the world. This is just the beginning, and there's so much more you can explore on Substack. From customizing your themes to structuring your newsletters, the possibilities are endless. But for now, you've taken the first essential steps towards sharing your unique voice and stories. So go ahead and start writing. Your audience is waiting.